you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart, 'cause you're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the park. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky, 'cause in the sky full of stars, I think I saw you. You're a sky, 'cause you're a sky full of stars. I wanna die in your arms. Oh, oh. 'Cause you get lighter the more it gets dark. I'm gonna give you my heart. Oh. I don't care, go on and tear me apart. I don't care if you do. Cause in the sky, 'cause in the sky full of stars, I think I see you. I think I see you.
All the pull stations, the tape that held the wires, this pull station over here, the whole entire board and panel, the 2 alarm spots, this big siren's gone, everything is gone. This alarm up here is gone, and this pull station right here is gone. And there's a good view. Yeah. So this took me over 4 hours to take down. Yes, that was 4 hours, but most of it was to clean up and all that. But basically, no, I'm not done with fire alarm videos. I'm just moving this out of the garage. And I'm gonna put it somewhere else, but I'm not gonna tell you where. I'm saying I was gonna put it somewhere else, but it's not gonna be in the garage. But yeah. But there will be a good amount of security videos coming out soon with the ring system tests. So stay tuned for some of those coming in the later weeks. But have a good day. Stay safe.